Stay in hustle mode. Got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.
Okay, y'all, so today we are showing you how to do a facial top tier hair club style. All right, so we're going to first take the F towel, bring it out real quick. We're going to go across that. We got to make sure we lift the chin up a little bit, just so the towel can rest on the face and not slide off. Okay, so the goal is to try to make that V shape, that triangle shape right there, rest the bottom of the lip. And now we're going to go ahead and hit my client with some massages. Now this is just my add-on, you know. You don't have to get the massages. You would just start off with a hot towel at first. I'm just trying to create an experience. The massages, they work really well. Go around the ears, on top of the nose, and get the shoulder area. It's very relaxing. It's very relaxing. All right, let's go ahead and take that towel off. I'm gonna slide it off first and then unravel it, because you just unravel it, it just feels uncomfortable, you know, going from hot to cold so quickly. So, and it's not a good sensation. And I learned that based off of personal experience. So now we're taking a facial pad and we're gonna use some of that Cetaphil. Okay, we're gonna use that to wash the face. Let's go ahead and get that steamer back going. All right, I'm gonna go in circular motions. I'm trying not to get none in his eye at all. Let's go ahead and speed that up for y'all. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yes, sir. That face is getting clean. It really makes your haircuts make a difference, and they can tell the difference like a lot faster. All right, now this is that second towel. Yes, sir. Remember, we slide the towels off and then we unwrap. Slide the towel, unwrap. It creates a better experience for your client. Just making sure we get all the soap suds off real quick. Yes, sir. Okay, now we're moving on to that black mask. I like to use the black mud mask because that black peel off mask, it can take a little while to dry, especially when you only have a certain amount of time and you're doing a facial during the day. So I just used the clay mud mask just so, you know, I can keep my time a little down. And it's not so thick, you know, and it dries very quickly. It dries in like 5 minutes versus that peel off mask. It may dry in like 15 to 20 minutes. And sometimes you don't have all that time, you know. Because, you know, I do my facials, I try to do it in an hour and 30 minutes, man. Now that was the before. This is the after. The peel off mask has dried on the skin. It gets real tight. It's taking all that white serum from under the skin as well. And that's very, very pivotal to do, you know, every once in a while. The only thing I don't do, what most estheticians do, is take out the whiteheads. I don't have a tool for that. But we still creating the experience, y'all. So we're just making sure we're wiping all the clay off. Now this is that 24K gold mask. Yeah, you thought it was gonna be gold, huh? Nah, it's a white mask. But it's a hydrated mask, okay? Because once you strip the face, once you strip the oils off the face, then you want to replenish the face with some good oils, or with a good moisturizer, let's just say. Now we're making sure that that face mask is all over the face and is locked in tight. It could be pretty cold at first, so that's why I'm keeping the steamer on him, just so, you know, the temperature can kind of regulate. Yes, sir. All right, we took that mask off. Look at that glow. Look at that shine. So, you know, the directions say, you know, you want to, you know, make sure you tap or dap all the excess liquids that's on the face and everything. All right, there we go. Now that's a nice shine. That's a nice clean face. Now after my facials, because I've already given my client a haircut, so after my facials, I just go ahead and tighten up the haircuts. Yes, sir. All right, so now moving on to the later part of the video, we're going to go ahead and comb that edge up down just to make sure we get all those extra hairs, just so his haircut can last a lot longer. All right, let's do a little bit of that scissor work. Yes, sir. I just coiled the hair up, so I'm just making sure I'm having, I'm getting all the loose ends or whatever. I don't want to go too deep into it. My client wants to keep most of his hair. Now that's a good haircut, y'all. That's a nice fade. It's nice, clean, crispy. That's a nice fade right there. Yes. I like it. I hope you love it. I hope you learned something. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, okay? More videos coming soon. Thank y'all.
Stay in hustle mode. Got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.